In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table in Yahoo Mail. This process will help you effectively organize your information within your emails. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser you use. Once the browser is open, go to the search bar at the top, type in Yahoo and hit enter. You will see a list of search results. What you are looking for is the official Yahoo link, which typically appears at the top. This step is crucial because it ensures you access the correct website. You want to avoid any phishing sites that could compromise your information. Next up, click on the correct Yahoo link to access the homepage. Once the page loads, you will see various options like Mail, News, and Finance. By clicking the Mail option, you are directed to the login page. It's essential to ensure that you are on the official Yahoo site for your online safety. This is a simple but important step in keeping your account secure. At this point, if prompted, sign into your Yahoo account. Enter your email address and password in the provided fields. Once you enter your credentials, click on the Sign In button. If you're already logged in, you will skip this step. Logging in gives you access to your email features, including composing new messages. You will see your inbox filled with emails ready for you to navigate. With that ready, the next step is to open a new message. Look for the Compose button, usually found at the top left of your inbox. Click on it and a new message window will appear. This is where you will craft your email and add your newly created table. The new message window allows you to enter recipients, subject lines, and the body of your email. Now, open a spreadsheet application like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Alternatively, you can use a word processor like Microsoft Word. This application is where you will create your table. Opening a spreadsheet or word processor is essential because Yahoo Mail does not have a built-in table feature. You need an external application to build your table effectively. After that, build your table within the application. Input your data and apply any preferred background colors or borders to make it visually appealing. You can adjust the sizes of the cells and format the text as needed. This step allows you to customize the table according to your needs. A well-organized table can significantly enhance the readability of your email, making it more professional. Once your table is ready, highlight the entire table using your mouse. Click at the beginning of the table, hold down the left mouse button, and drag until the entire table is selected. This action is crucial as it prepares the table for copying. Highlighting ensures you have selected everything you want to include in your email. Next, press Ctrl and C together to copy the table. You won't see any indication that it's copied, but rest assured it is in your clipboard now. This step saves you time and effort, allowing you to quickly paste the table into your email without retyping. Now, click into the body of the email you opened earlier. Place your cursor in the area where you want the table to appear. Once you're ready, press Ctrl and V to paste the table. You should see your table appear in the email body. This makes sure your table is included in your message, ready for your recipients to view. And there you have it. You've successfully added a table to your Yahoo Mail. This method helps keep your information organized and easy to read for your recipients. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.